Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly, and when it boils down to it, my channel is about Forex and fitness. So if you're into that sort of thing, let's get right into it. So this video is providing just a bit of commentary on some of the things I see going around social media in regards to trading and Forex. And I just want to be clear, I am in no way trying to bash anybody or people's decisions or choices around things. I'm simply providing my view on it and my input. Also, for the record, this TikTok here is City Girl Tyler. I actually do like her. Her YouTube channel is great. She does know her stuff when it comes to Forex. And that's the thing. A lot of people who are in some of these things that are related to multi-level marketing, some of them do know their things. But I don't like the way things are being marketed and portrayed. So that's what I'm going to be getting into. So when it comes to a multi-level marketing company, it is just that, multi-level marketing. You're marketing and making it seem like you're marketing a product, but in reality, you're marketing in order to get people in, to get referrals, and that is what's generating the money coming in from the people paying to be a part of whatever the multi-level marketing, I don't want to say scheme, but whatever the multi-level marketing program is. So when it comes to marketing, people oftentimes use celebrities. So as you can see from this video right here, we have a lot of different celebrities that are being name dropped in order to promote a product, which is normal.
The biggest rapper in the world! Yeah, Drake! Drake! The nigga got bodied by Pusha T? Y'all better stop playing with me in here.
But the problem is, a lot of the times it makes it seem as though they use this product, and when it comes to trading or Forex, people, the types or the groups or the audiences of the people that they are promoting to are often in a place where they really need money, and they know that these people who really need money really look up to these celebrity figures. But do you really think that these celebrity figures are trading? Like, you can't possibly think that these celebrity figures are really trading. They may have some background or some knowledge on whatever the subject is, but let's be honest, everybody that's going to be shown in this video, drop the comments down below if you really think that these people are trading on a daily, weekly, monthly, whatever basis. And I just don't understand how you can promote something that you don't use. So first up, we have Safaree. Listen to this.
Yo, look, don't say I ain't try to put you on. Don't say that people who got the finer things in life is trying to keep it to themselves. So I'm trying to put you on right now. I'm trying to put you on a Forex. You know what I'm saying? I'm sitting here, I'm outside eating. This is not a paid ad.
It's more than likely a paid ad.
This is really like money in minutes. I'm really on this site, and I'm really on here trading, making money. Like, it doesn't matter what your background is, no matter your nationality, it don't matter your criminal record. I'm just giving you the heads up. Just click the link in my bio. All the info is there. I'm gonna help you. We're gonna get this money together. Alright? Straight!
Okay, awesome. So let's get Safaree's help with trading. Let's see how we can get this money with Safaree. So straightforex.com. We see Safaree's website. Start trading with his team. Okay, he has a strong support team. There are no limits. Okay. What else we got, Safaree? Oh, we can get on an hour Zoom call with Safaree to learn how to trade Forex and crypto. Boom, sign me up. So next we have Blac Chyna, Miss Blac Chyna. Let's see what they've got to say. Just as I thought, nothing.
Okay, let's get started. Hello, everybody. I'm Angela White, better known as Blac Chyna.
And I am Jeanette, also known as Lola Monroe.
And we're coming to you today to introduce you to something that's going to guide you with independence, success, financial literacy, and more. And it's called...
That pause when she said, and it's called...
And,
She didn't know.
I have been knowing each other for like 15 years plus.
A really long time.
Yeah, a really, really long time. And so we've built a relationship and have been around for each other's journey for a while. And
A really long time.
Yeah.
We're both from Washington, D.C. I think a lot of people think I'm from Miami, but I'm not.
Yeah.
We're not.
Yeah. And so, yeah, we watched each other's journey and saw each other's growth, and we, like, coming from like humble beginnings, we have an understanding of like how independence and success and financial literacy.
Yes, and Blac Chyna is all about a dollar, which is why she was able to be paid in order to promote this. But anyway,
things aren't taught to us, so you know, we've been blessed. And we just want to spread that information for others too. So we created the Dynasty Way.
The Dynasty Way. You know, like in the midst of like all the stuff that's going on, I feel like it's a perfect time and a perfect opportunity to like let everybody know about this. And it's really pretty easy, and we'll like give you step by step, like the breakdown and how to go about doing all of this.
Yeah. Yeah, like she said, with everything going on, I think that people are understanding that your stability can't be put into other people's hands.
Right.
Yeah, and that we have technology, and so there's no reason why we can't pick up the phone and make money.
Right. I mean, it's a given. Okay, you have Instagram, you have your websites.
so if it's one thing Blac Chyna knows how to do, it's get paid. I have to give it to that woman for that. But it's not about her. It's the fact that this is easy money for her. They're able to use Blac Chyna's face in order to promote Forex. How? Make it new trader? Make it make sense. We know Blac Chyna is not trading. We know that. But they know the same thing that she knows. The amount of people that she can get to sign up, that's easy residual income for her. Without ever having to open a chart, know what a candlestick is, or even look at TradingView. This one's brief, but next up we have Meek Mill. They love using Meek Mill's quotes in their Instagram posts in order to promote Forex. So that's something to notice there. This one's brief as well. I don't know why it says Mr. Mazibuko, but this is Floyd Mayweather, and this was a post in order to promote Forex using Floyd Mayweather. So these are some tweets that I found just from searching up Forex and Floyd Mayweather into Twitter. But read some of these tweets. Like, it doesn't even sound right. And here's another thing. These celebrities, I could see if they were talking about how to invest, but no, they're talking about trading. Now, next up, we have this most recent one with YG. And it's this awkward conversation where he is trying to promote,
but still above the wave, right? Foreign exchange is not normal.
Listen.
I need you guys to understand that people get rich because they join before the masses. The people with the most success join while other people are skeptical. Because you know why? Because normal people are skeptical because you guys are trapped. You have a poor mindset. It's not even about your pocket. Poor is passing over opportunities repeatedly.
Get you into this so-called opportunity.
They pass over opportunities because they're skeptical, right? Because it's not normal. But what we're doing right now is we're about to make it normal in the whole entire hood. We're about to take the whole hood out of poverty. We're about to put all blacks on BLM, and we're literally about to make this shit normal.
So that for weeks, just for YG to not really say anything during this entire conversation about him promoting Forex. But anyways, let's continue. This one is last but not least. They love name dropping Nipsey Hussle. Now, Nipsey talked a lot about trading crypto before he passed, rest in peace. But they love name dropping him in order to continue to promote this opportunity, which I find very interesting. They keep his name in this conversation.
die for my fucking respect. You fucking with a young nigga, 212s in the trunk, nigga.
Basically what it is there's a huge amount of value in this cryptocurrency space with trading and exchanging different forms of currency, different times of acquisition, different times of selling. It's very similar to the stock market. So there's people over the last 5-6 years that became very successful trading currencies via different platforms. And so what it is there'll be a big trade that takes place, and you'll hear about it next week. And they try to mirror it, but the opportunity came and passed. Very similar to stocks.
But I just think it's very ignorant that they keep his name in the conversation to promote multi-level marketing instead of Forex trading itself. You don't need an MLM in order to trade Forex.
You think this a game? You think we don't trade? It's simple as copy, paste, profit, and you can get paid. The markets don't sleep, so neither should you. Just caught the perfect entry, my phone in the blue, yeah, yeah. You think this a game? You think we don't trade? It's simple as copy, paste, profit, and you can get paid. The markets don't sleep, so neither should you. Just caught the perfect entry, my phone in the blue, yeah, yeah, yeah. Sleep is for the rich, I can finally get some rest. Yeah, I did it for the gang, Trey House diamonds on my neck. Yeah, 250 loading, 750 on the way. Hopped on Meta, Trader 4, trying to make 750 in a day. Made my profits for the week, now it's time to spread the word.
What? Child. Anyway, so...
And this here is why people think Forex is a scam. Anytime people hear the word Forex, it has a negative connotation to it because of everything that I mentioned in this video. It just makes me feel sick seeing stuff like this because oftentimes they're trying to make people feel bad for not so-called taking advantage of an opportunity that costs $150 or $250 in order to learn how to trade with them, even though they're going to get you into marketing with them. And the reality of it is you don't have to pay anything to learn Forex. You don't have to pay anything to learn to trade Forex. If you want to learn how to get started with trading Forex for free, go look at my last video or my video titled something like learn how to trade Forex for free. That'll get you started if you really want to know how to get started with trading Forex for free. But that's it. That's all I have to say. So like I said, this video was just me giving my input on some of the evidence I'm seeing around the internet. And yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments. That's pretty much it. I might do a part 2, but might not because I'm tired of taking screenshots of the nonsense I'm seeing. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I'm very interested. Let's have a whole conversation. Talk to you in the next one. Bye.